Hello world, Genergy on the ground. Let's go with chapter number 2 of our challenge, our Menorca. Remember Menorca 2026, Menorca from Ago, says the Lord, 20 years ago. I say about 15 there, I don't know. And he also called us on the phone and says that he had also found the east cart, which is what he was carrying underneath, to move it like a trolley. Well, there's quite a bit happening. I've already taken apart the super squares from the construction shed. These super squares are done, and today is all about cleaning. Let's see if we can accomplish even more. Essentially, it's a degreaser to thoroughly clean the exterior. Otherwise, every time we touch it, it feels dirty and results in confusion. Let's explore how this innovation functions in detail.
Okay.
Let's go the other way. Well, I'm quite far from the action. At least we won't get messy during work. When outside, we'll focus on removing the fluids step by step. Well, we have already taken out the oil. See how the black oil was, and it also has rest, I don't know, but this is the oil it had. It's typical for a theme to be worn and used over time. Such wear is expected. Now let's extract the gas. We're going to take out the filter and put it in this bottle. Well, this will be more of an inert liquid, then we put good gasoline in it, but first we will also look at cleaning the flame extinguisher, very important, and we will also empty the carburetor tank. In case there is garbage there, remove it before you swallow it when trying to start it. By the way, I haven't told you, but I have already received the battery, and Genergy has already sent me the battery, so I already have the battery to put it in. What are we going to recover it? I don't know, because maybe we got the engine to start. And it does not transmit energy, but well, at least we are going to learn things. That is, it is very important in one of this equipment to always change the oil. Please, you cannot have the oil like this equipment has if you are working. Maintain a certain hygiene on the equipment. Air filter that we also have to look at. Keep the gasoline filled to the top whenever the equipment is not in use. This prevents gasoline oxidation over time. There's nothing left here anymore. Well, we have already taken out the gasoline. It doesn't smell like gasoline, and gasoline usually has a distinct odor. This doesn't match that smell. Well, then we'll fill it with clean gasoline. Well, since we have removed the oil, we have removed the gasoline, we are going to remove the carburetor tab to remove the garbage that is there from the gasoline before, as I say, starting it. For that, like this, it is not advisable that we dirty or pour inside. I am going to use this miniature funnel to see if I can make the gasoline in the tub fall into the jar here. Trying to manage oysters and multitask simultaneously is really challenging. Well, I already have it loose, which is the mature thing. It is already starting to drain. We are taking the gasoline from the vat that falls here to the jar. I'm removing the center screw, which is the one that holds the bucket. Okay, there I have it. Look how the tub is, see? Well, that's a lot of normal garbage. Well, for this to clean this, we must use an intercarburetor cleaner. I have one here. Then I'm going to hit him with a brush, but hey, let him pull. Look, see, notice how fast all this garbage comes out. Well, this clogs your carburetor, the low or high gum, or and we would start with problems. Well, we are going to leave it there, let it soften, and then we will give it a little sprinkle. Well, we already have the tube removed. Okay. Well, let's see the air filter, but before the air filter I'm going to take the carver out a little and examine it. Come on. We're preparing to take out the carburetor, move it outside for better examination and evaluate its condition thoroughly.
This approach ensures straightforward access to the air filter, streamlining the process significantly.
Okay, for now I'm just going to clean the air filter and I'll reassemble it, and then when we start, if there is any problem with the carburetor, we'll see.
Okay.
This model, well, the filter came like this. For those of you who might recall from earlier videos, removing it is simple, but with this model it happened to be that way. Here is the air filter. Let's clean it thoroughly. Additionally, there are 3 filters included, one of which is in the unit. Well, here we have the filters. We are going to wash it. I am going to assemble it. We will assemble the tank. We will put oil. We will put gasoline. But that in the next chapter, and we will test the start. We will assemble the battery. We are going to leave it so as not to make this chapter longer. In the next chapter, we will face the start once the battery is assembled with gasoline and oil, and we will assemble the carburetor, the filter. Alright? You can find detailed information on Genergy.es, including all phone numbers and contact information under the contact section to stay connected. For generator breakdowns, the SAT service is available to resolve issues promptly and ensure everything is running smoothly. Here's a critical tip for success. Never stop embracing opportunities to learn and grow.